taxes filed, and a lot of people plan to do it on their own this year and every year, but that can be confusing, even risky. Dale Hammernick with Hammernick and Associates in West Dallas joins us with the top 5 income tax filing mistakes folks make when they try to do it on their own. Good morning to you, Dale.
Thanks for having me.
All right, let's get right to these. The first one, forgetting to sign their taxes. So you go through the whole process and people don't put their signature on there.
You do all the work, and then you mail it in there. The IRS says that's their top mistake. It says they can't file a return unless it's been signed.
And that has changed now, right, with folks filing online?
Online, where you have to do an electronic signature or come up with a PIN number. So as we transition to the electronic age, that mistake will probably become one of the things of the past.
I'm guessing they won't let you submit without putting the signature on there if you do it electronically.
Right. Electronic signature says you have to create a PIN number, so that PIN number is authorizing for an actual signature.
The second mistake, math errors. Folks probably brush off their math skills just a few times a year, and this is maybe one of them.
Right. During stress and high, intensity areas, sometimes you forget or over or transpose, but the IRS does process those returns through the computers, and they'll pick up those math errors, and you might not get what you thought you're going to get back on a refund too after they recalculate it.
And they're probably not very sympathetic to your
no.
Algebra skills. All right, the number 3 mistake that folks make when filing their income taxes on their own, filing before they receive all the necessary tax information.
A lot of people in a hurry to get that refund money, and sometimes stuff doesn't come in the mail as fast as or as soon as you would like, and sometimes they just forget they worked at that one job or forget the W-2 or the 1099, or now brokerage statements are coming later and later. So you got to make sure you have all your information, and then the other part is forgetting some of your deductions too. So the main thing is just relax. Double check your math, double check, make sure you claimed everything, and then sign it and get it off in the mail.
And it also seems like a lot of banking institutions, for example, aren't necessarily mailing you those documents anymore. You have to go online and seek them out yourself.
We're transitioning. There's some guidelines that says banks aren't required to 1099 you if the interest is less than $10. So it's confusing a lot of people, and a lot of stuff is going paperless. So you have to say, hey, do I have an account? Where am I supposed to get the information? Because you have to report all that information, because the IRS kind of knows what you have already, because they get copies of everything you get copies of.
Unfortunately, our time is up. There are 2 more that are failing to claim all tax credits and improperly claiming dependents. And I guess if folks want more information on those, they'll have to come see you in West Dallas.
Exactly. Thank you.
All right, Dale. Thanks so much for joining us here on Live at Daybreak this morning.